guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are outside of CVS to do our haul for this week, and I'm actually surprised there are quite a few moneymaker deals, some amazing Ibotta rebates as well. I'm going to be completing my Easter basket bonus today, getting $3 for just doing 2 offers, which is amazing. I'm also going to see if I can complete my Weekend Warrior bonus, so fingers crossed, we'll see how it goes inside. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I post new deals, videos, freebies, giveaways, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of them as well. It is Easter Sunday, so of course, happy Easter to all of you guys. I hope you have an amazing day. Doing Easter egg hunts, that's definitely what I am looking forward to, just watching all the kids find all the little eggs and stuff that we're gonna hide around the yard. Just keeping it simple this year, but definitely having some fun with some friends and family. So I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Linked below in the description box, it's going to be the printable breakdown that you can take right in the store with you, as well as my referral codes for Ibotta. That's the rebate app we are going to be using inside today. So let's go take advantage of some amazing moneymaker deals at CVS this week. Okay, our first stop, as always, is the Redbox Coupon Center. So what you're gonna do is type in your phone number, or you can scan your extra care card right there. That way you can print any mystery coupons, any instant coupons, and CRTs for the week as well. Any CRTs that don't print here will also print on the bottom of your receipts, or you can always, of course, send them to your card on your CVS app. So let's see what we get today. So here is our first amazing freebie that anyone can do using digital coupons and a rebate from Ibotta. We are gonna do the Crest and Oral-B deal for buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. It says limit of 1, but it's actually a limit of 2, which shows over, oh, that's a different deal. But yes, it is a limit of 2. It shows right in the CVS ad. So I'm gonna grab one of these Crest right here. Then we're gonna grab some Oral-B as well. So let's go do that. Then I'm gonna come over here and grab any of the Oral-B that are included. They are $3.99, so I'm gonna grab 5 Oral-B and I have the 1 Crest. If you wanna grab 6 Oral-B, you can do that as well. So what you're gonna do is submit this to Ibotta. There's dollar back rebates. Limit is 5, that's why I said to grab at least 5. And we have these 2 digital coupons, $3 off 2, and $6 off of 4. So grabbing 6 of them, that's gonna save you $9 right there. You're gonna wind up paying out of pocket $14.94. Then you're gonna get back a $10 extra back, $5 for every 3 that you buy, sorry. We're grabbing 6. So we'll get a $10 extra buck and then $5 from Ibotta, making all 6 items completely free, which is amazing. Here is an easy deal you can do on hair care. So I heard the 5 off of 2 digital coupon is glitching, but for some reason it's not on my account anymore this morning. I do have the buy 1 get 1 free digital coupon, which we're gonna use, and there's a $2 off 1. So I'm not sure if that's glitching, but you can always double check, of course, after you check out. So any of these are buy 2, get a $4 extra back. So what you can do is grab 2 of them. The buy 1 get 1 free digital takes off up to $7.99. So you'll be left to pay $8.99 out of pocket. If that $2 off 1 glitches as well, then you'll only pay $6.99 out of pocket, get back a $4 extra buck for buying 2 of them, making your final cost $2.99 for both, or $1.49 each, which is certainly an amazing deal on hair color. Here is another great moneymaker deal at CVS. This is using all printable coupons and CRTs. You're gonna grab 2 of these Venus right here. They're buy 2, get a $10 extra buck. So grabbing 2 will bring you to $19.98. Then this morning, we got printable coupons for $3 off 1. I just printed this morning and notice the expiration date. It expires in 24 hours. So print it right before you're about to use it. Then I have this 6 off of 2 Venus Razor CRT that I'm gonna use as well. That'll take off $12. I'll pay $7.98 out of pocket, and I'm gonna get back the $10 extra buck, making it free and a $2.01 moneymaker. So let's add them to the cart. So this is gonna be the biggest moneymaker for today or this week in general. any L'Oreal facial care is spend $30, get a $10 extra back. So I'm gonna grab one of these nighttime moisturizers, the Age Perfect, for $21.49, and two of these Ideal Clean right here for $4.39. That's gonna bring my total to $30.27. Then we are gonna be using this $3 instant coupon we got last week. I have that on my card. And I have two $6 Age Perfect CRTs. Then I'm also gonna be using two 5 off of 15 facial care CRTs. Now we can use these because 15 plus 15 is 30, and we're spending $30.27 in products. That's why I can combine the two spend amount CRTs. So if you still have issues with spend amount CRTs, extra bucks, beauty bucks, anything like that, it is all information that I have in my CVS couponing ebook. That will be linked below in the description box for you as well. So we are gonna be left to pay only $5.27, get back a $10 extra buck and a $3 beauty buck, because this deal alone we're over $30 in beauty products, making it free and a $7.73 moneymaker, which is absolutely incredible. Another facial care deal that you can do that I'm excited to try today is the Garnier. So I'm gonna grab one of these serums. I've never actually tried these before, so let me know how you feel about them. I'm gonna try the Replumping Cream Serum, the Garnier Labs, and I'm gonna grab one of these Skin Active towelettes right here, which are $7.79, and they are included. Oh, get back there. Okay. So then I have a couple CRTs that I'm going to use. Total for both of those is over $25. So I'm going to use this 6 off of 25 Garnier Facial Care CRT. Then I have two $5 Garnier Labs CRTs, and I have two $2 Micellar Water CRTs, and these do attach to the active cleansing wipes. So I am going to be left to pay $10.28. Then I'm going to be getting back a $5 extra buck and another $3 beauty buck, because total for both of these products is $30.28. That makes my final cost $2.28 for both, or $1.14 each. So excited to give this a shot, especially for $1.14. Okay guys, look what I just found. I'm so excited. This is like the first time that I've ever seen Baboo in our stores. It's not tagged, but it's buy one, get one free, buy two, get a $2 extra back. I'm gonna grab 4 of them. They're $10.99 each is what all of you guys told me. And I have two buy two, get one free CRTs. So that should make all of them completely free. Then I'll get back a $2 extra back, making them free and a $2 moneymaker. Now let's put together our PG deal. So this one is spend $40, get a $10 extra back. I'm gonna grab 3 of the larger Pantene at 3 for $15. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and I have a 2 off of 10 Pantene CRT that I'm gonna be using as well. So let's add this to the cart, and then we have a couple more items that we need to get. Then I'm gonna grab 2 of these Tide Pods. We have this $2 digital coupon, and I have a $2 coupon from the PG insert for April. You can also print one from pggoodeveryday.com. It's a limit of 1 coupon per all of the PG products for the month, and they expire within 24 hours after you print it. So just a heads up on that. But let's add this to the cart as well for our spend $40 deal. I'm also gonna grab one of these huge Tide liquids. They are $11.94. And we have this $3 off 1 digital coupon that does attach to this. If you want to grab the huge Tide Pods instead, I don't actually see any available at my store. They would have been like right here. You can grab that too. We do have a separate $3 digital for that. The last item we're gonna grab is the Charmin Essentials 6 equals 24 rolls. It's not tagged in the store, but I'll show you how you can do that on the CVS app. This is included, it's $4.99, and we have a 25-cent digital coupon. So let's go over our totals for the PG deal this week. So if something is not tagged in store, you can always bring it to the Redbox Coupon Center, or you can scan it on the app. You're gonna click shop, then you're gonna go to the barcode here at the top, and you're gonna scan the barcode of the product right in store. So this shows that it's on sale for $4.99 and that we have a 25-cent digital coupon. So let's add this to the cart. So this is everything we have for our spend 40 deal for the PG this week. Total for all these products is $41.81. We have the $5 digital, $3 digital, $2 digital, a $2 paper coupon, and a 25-cent digital coupon. We also have a 2 off of 10 Pantene CRT that we're gonna use. So that is gonna bring us all the way down to paying $27.56 out of pocket. But then we are gonna get back a $10 extra back, making our final cost $17.56 for 7 items, or $2.50 each, which I think is an amazing deal. We're getting a humongous Tide, and we're getting some toilet paper for $2.50 each. Here is another freebie moneymaker deal that you can do if you still have that instant coupon from last week. This is for select Colgate toothpaste, toothbrushes, mouthwash. Spend $10, get a $5 extra back. So I'm gonna grab this Colgate Total Clean Mint for $5.19. Then I'm gonna grab a Colgate Total Gum Protection for $4.79. That'll bring me to $9.98, which follows the 98% rule. Meaning, if you multiply 10 times 0.98, if you at least spend that much money, most CVS's will still give you the extra back. Mine, I know, does. So then we have this $1 digital coupon and a $1 printable from last week on coupons.com. So hopefully you were able to get this printed. We also got last week the $4 off of 2 Colgate CRT. I'm gonna be left to pay $3.98, get back the $5 extra buck, making my final cost free and $1.02 moneymaker. Now we're gonna grab our weekly, pretty much, free Hallmark products. So these bags right here are 49 cents and they do work with the Hallmark CRTs. These ribbons work as well. These ribbons up here are $1.29 as well. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these ribbons and I'm gonna grab 1 of these bags. Then the CRT for $3 off of 2 will come off. Another thing you can do, of course, is grab 6 of these bags. That'll bring you to about $3. The 3 off of 2 will come off, making all of them completely free. Another amazing moneymaker deal is on Neutrogena this week. So they are spend $25, get a $10 extra buck, limit of 1. So I am gonna grab 1 of these Hydro Boost mascaras for $10.79, and I'm gonna grab a Healthy Skin concealer for $14.99. That'll bring me to $25.78, I believe. Then we have a $3 face digital coupon, and we have this $3 any Neutrogena cosmetic digital coupon. We are also going to submit this to Ibotta for $2 back, and a separate rebate, submit this to Ibotta for $2 back. For doing over 2 rebates today, I'm gonna get the $3 Easter basket bonus. We're also gonna hit beauty again because this plus the Pantene that we did in the P&G deal puts me over $30. We're also gonna get back a $10 extra back. So this is the deal. $25.78, we're gonna pay $19.78 out of pocket, get back a $10 extra buck and a $3 beauty buck. Plus we're gonna get back $7 from Ibotta, making everything completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Okay, back in from CVS. I had an issue with 2 CRTs, so I'll let you guys know that in just a second. So, everything went great though after that, and then I did wind up paying a little bit out of pocket, but I knew I was getting back some money from Ibotta, so I thought that was gonna be fine. I did 4 separate transactions to make sure I can roll my extra bucks into the next transactions to keep my out of pocket as low as possible. So let me show you guys my receipts. The CRTs that didn't work, that 4 off of 2 Colgate instant coupon wouldn't work, didn't want to mess with it, so I just had her take those off my transaction. It literally said 4 off of 2, total is included. I got 2 total, but not sure. Then the Baboo, one of the buy two, get one frees wouldn't scan, like it wouldn't work. So I wound up just paying for one of them, getting back the $2 extra buck. So final cost on that was about $8.99 for four 8 counts. So I still think that's a good deal. Of course, I wanted it to be free and a moneymaker, but that's okay. Glad I tried it out so I could let you guys know, of course, what to expect when you're going. So this, I did the Oral-B, the Crest, I did the Baboo, which is buy one, get one free. It shows right there. Then the Hallmark as well. Baboo, yeah. Anyway, okay. So the Crest came off, 3 and the 6. Let me fix my lighting. There we go. Baboo, buy one, get one, or buy two, get one free came off. This is 3 off 2 Hallmark, just came down to the price that it was. Rolled my beauty bucks and extra bucks and my winter extra bucks from previous transactions. Paid $11.76 with a Fetch Rewards gift card, so I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket. Submitted it to Ibotta, got back $5. So this one wound up being a $5 moneymaker as far as cash is concerned. Then I did, I'm not sure exactly what order I did all these in, but I did the Garnier and Neutrogena. All the coupons and CRTs came off. Rolled extra bucks from a previous transaction. Paid with another Fetch Rewards gift card, so I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket on this one. Everything worked, which was awesome. Submitted it to Ibotta, got back $4, and I had a giveaway rebate as well. So that gave me 3 more. So I'll be completing, it's actually a Peeps bonus. So I'll get $3 for that as well. Okay, sorry about that. I had a call coming through. Okay, 2 more receipts and then we will be all done. So this one, I did the L'Oreal and the Gillette deal. So both of these wound up being huge money makers, which is amazing. So everything worked and came off. The $6 L'Oreal, 6 off 2 Venus, the $5 came off. These $3 coupons are the Venus printables. That is linked for you in the printable breakdown below, so you can click it and it'll take you right there to print it. Then I rolled some extra bucks, paid $8.23 with the same Fetch Rewards gift card. So again, I didn't pay anything out of pocket on this one, and no Ibotta rebates or anything on that. But I will be getting back at least a $9 beauty buck, which I can then use next week on Sunday for my transactions. And my last deal, I did the spend 40, get a $10 extra buck. So did the Pantene, the Tide, the Charmin. We got so much toilet paper today. I'm so excited because we are like running low on toilet paper. I really need some. Yep, all the coupons and everything came off. 2 off 10 Pantene. Then the $2 Tide was the paper one I gave her, so the $2 digital did not come off for some reason. Bummer. Final was $18.49. I did pay that with cash because I was out of extra bucks, and then I got back my $10 extra buck for that. So all in all, my out-of-pocket cost, I believe, was about 20 bucks. And then I got back the $3 bonus, $5, $4, that's 9, plus 3 is 12. So it cost me like $8 today for everything that we got. And it was well over $100 worth of products for $8. I think that's definitely a win. If you have any questions or anything, drop a comment below, let me know. The CVS couponing ebook is down there as well for you guys if you want to purchase that. It tells you everything you need to know about how to coupon at CVS and how to have such successful hauls save you thousands of dollars. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.